This is day 139 of building $1 million AI agency. Started the day with some work, watched some memes, some more work. I was consuming a video, knowledge video on Mindset there. After that, I did some work on creating some content. I made a YouTube video that I'm going to post tonight, so you guys can check that out. Finishing the day, we're so locked in. My boy fell asleep on call. Like, we're so locked in. Think of that. This call has been on for 7 hours. Fell asleep working. That's how locked in we are. But just finishing, just made a YouTube video. Could have got more done today, but still got quite a bit done. And yeah, gotta call my mentor tomorrow and ask some loaded questions and go from there. But all in all, see you guys tomorrow. So